Hello dear learners, welcome back to Fun Scholar e-learning series. I am Rikta and we here at Fun Scholar are committed to bring the best from the world of robotics and electronics to you. Here I am back today with another interesting circuit, but before starting the tutorial, let me remind you to do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting tutorials and circuits. Today we are going to make a LED chaser circuit using 5 LEDs. A LED chaser circuit is a circuit where the LEDs are connected in such a way that they will chase or follow each other. Let us first see the components required for making a LED chaser circuit. So here is the list containing the name as well as specification of all the components required for making this circuit. This is the breadboard. Here we have used a 9-volt battery, 5 LEDs, 6 22 microfarad capacitors, 5 transistors. Here I have used BC547 transistor. Here are 5 22K resistors and 5 1K resistors. We also need some connecting wires to complete the connections of our circuit. Now let's start making the circuit. First we will place 5 transistors on the breadboard. After that we will connect the 1 kilo ohm resistors with the collector pin of every transistor. With the other end of the resistors, we will connect the negative leg of 5 LEDs and the positive leg of all the LEDs will be connected with the positive power rail of the breadboard. 22 kilo ohm resistors will be connected in between the positive power rail of the breadboard and the middle pin, that is the base of every transistor. Next we will connect a 22 microfarad capacitor with the circuit. The positive leg of the capacitor will be connected with the collector pin of the last transistor and the negative leg of the capacitor will be connected with the negative power rail of the breadboard. With the collector pin of the same transistor, we will connect the positive leg of another capacitor and the negative leg of the capacitor will be connected with the base pin, that is the middle pin of the first transistor. After that we will place the remaining 4 capacitors on the breadboard in such a way that the positive leg of every capacitor will be connected with the collector pin of the first transistor and the negative pin of the capacitors will be connected with the middle pin, that is the base of the next transistor. The emitter pin of all the transistors are connected with the negative power rail of the breadboard. And now we just have to connect the battery with the circuit. The negative wire of the battery will be connected with the negative power rail and the positive wire with the positive power rail of the breadboard. As soon as we connect the battery with the circuit, we can see that the LEDs are chasing one another. So this is the circuit diagram of our circuit, where these are 5 LEDs, these are 5 transistors and these are the 6 capacitors. Here you can see that the positive plate of the capacitor is connected with the collector pin of the previous transistor and the negative plate of the capacitor is connected with the base pin of the next transistor. Initially, all the transistors are at off state. Whenever we connect the battery with the circuit, first the capacitors will start charging. All the capacitors will charge through the LED, which will make the LED to glow. This is the path through which the capacitors will charge up to 0.7 volt. Whenever the capacitor reach the voltage level of 0.7 volt and as the capacitor is connected with the base of this transistor, this 0.7 volt will be applied on the base of this transistor, which will make this transistor on. As soon as the transistor gets on, this capacitor will find a conducting path through this transistor to discharge. As soon as the transistor turns on, this will make the LED turn off because this time the capacitor stops charging and no current is flowing through this LED. This will make the LED turn off. The same thing happens for the other sections of the circuit. All the LEDs will turn on and off one by one, that is, they will chase each other. This is how the LED chaser circuit works. Hope you have enjoyed making this interesting circuit. For more such circuits and tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will come back to you soon with other interesting circuits. Till then, keep learning, be safe and keep watching Fun Scholar e-learning series. Thank you for watching.